GCC Lab Company is a bright knowledge hub and a unique investment in the MENA region, which is supervised by the Ministry of Energy of Saudi Arabia and the Ministries of Energy and Industry of the GCC countries. The GCC Lab was established in the first quarter of 2016 through an elite collaboration of 10 strategic stakeholders representing the key players of the energy and industry sectors in the Kingdom and the GCC region. The GCC Lab Company have launched one of the biggest and most sophisticated testing complexes in the world that includes diversified and scalable testing and research infrastructure, which operates as independent, impartial, third-party laboratories to provide reliable and efficient services that meet the requirements of safety, quality, and efficiency in accordance with all applicable international standards and best technical practices, as well as providing world-class technical services to all sectors in the GCC and neighboring countries. After laying the foundation stone in February 2020, His Royal Highness Prince Abdulaziz bin Salman, Minister of Energy, and a group of His Excellencies, officials, decision makers, and heads of companies in the Kingdom and the Gulf inaugurated the Global Gulf Laboratory Complex in January 2023 in Dammam's third industrial city. The complex occupies an area of 170,000 square meters and is operated by 160 male and female employees with 80% Saudization. The lab includes 8 advanced testing and research centers in the fields of conventional and renewable energy, safety, quality, and inspection services. In almost 80 years, those men and women who have made EDF have built it into a global leader in low-carbon electricity, a company with 41 million customers in France, Europe, and around the world with a powerful and respected name. And yet, there is still everything to accomplish. For our generation is facing an incredible global challenge: climate change and the electricity revolution. Electricity that will be carbon-free, one that protects the planet and its inhabitants. Electricity that, more than ever, will have to be abundant, available, and competitively priced. Electricity that will have to be generated and distributed to our customers as they adopt more electric-powered practices and reduce their carbon footprint. The electricity revolution is ours. We have to make it happen. So we must unite to prevail. Our strength lies in who we are. 180,000 men and women, determined and united. When they combine their skills, when they bring views and differences together, they can turn the tide and build the future of electricity. This project has a name: Ambitions 2035. Built upon a shared mindset. Build a single team that reinvents itself to deliver on the expected results. Then, and only then, will we no longer be spectators of the electricity revolution. We will be its builders, its champions.
خصنا كمعهد الاستدامة نقدم هذه المبادرة. قد تكون نوعية، بيكون لنا برامج تدريبية مستمرة خلال الموسم التدريبي من شهر سبتمبر إلى شهر ديسمبر 2024. تنوعت هذه البرامج من مواضيع الطاقة والطاقة المتجددة وكذلك البيئة، وأيضا في معلومات الجهاز في تكنولوجيا الاتصالات والذكاء الاصطناعي. مستمرين في هذه البرامج التدريبية لحد ديسمبر نهايته. وأيضا راح يكون لنا هذه مبادرة موسمية مستمرة بإذن الله. نتمنى أن تحقق ما تطلع لها الدولة في تنمية الكوادر الوطنية للمساهمة الفعالة لتحقيق رؤاها واستراتيجياتها المستقبلية نحو مستقبل مشرق ومستدام.
A door to life. A green and sustainable future represent a harmonious vision of a world where environmental well-being and human progress coexist. Sharjah Sustainability Solutions is committed in preserving Earth for current and future generations. A look into the future and a look into our heritage that Sharjah Sustainability Solutions is proud of. We are part of the collective effort to combat climate change. Sustainability is not just a buzzword, It's a commitment to shaping a future where nature thrives, ecosystems flourish, future generations are prepared, and human life is in harmony with the environment. Sharjah Sustainability Solutions is the vision of the future. Sharjah Sustainability Solutions.
Net zero. Our goal to balance the emissions we release with the emissions we remove from the atmosphere. Several countries around the world have committed in law to reach net zero by 2050. So, how do we get there? By rolling out renewable and low-carbon energy solutions such as wind, solar, and nuclear energy. Good progress has already been made in reaching net zero. But to fully reach our net zero targets, we need a way to permanently remove large amounts of existing CO2 from our atmosphere and fully decarbonize our industrial and power sectors. And this needs to happen now. A crucial part of the solution is carbon capture, utilization, and storage, or CCUS for short. CCUS can help to reduce emissions from many of the industrial products that are critical to our economy, like the fertilizer we need to grow our crops and the cement and glass we need to build new homes. And for the times when renewables can't produce enough power to meet our energy needs, CCUS can directly capture emissions from power stations that can easily ramp up or ramp down to ensure we can keep the lights on and maintain a reliable energy supply. Carbon dioxide removal technologies like bioenergy with carbon capture and storage and direct air capture and storage will help to further remove CO2 that is already in the atmosphere from sectors that cannot easily decarbonize. Carbon capture can be combined with hydrogen production to make low-carbon hydrogen, which can be used as a fuel for heavy industry or transport, or to make low-carbon electricity. Some captured CO2 can be used to make essential products like building materials, food packaging, and chemicals. This process is known as carbon capture and utilization, or CCU. However, given the volumes of CO2 we produce, most will need to be permanently stored. Captured CO2 will be transported by pipeline, ship, road, or rail to be injected into geological storage sites, where it can be permanently stored deep within rocks, typically 1 to 3 kilometers beneath the seabed. Carbon capture can support critical industries to continue thriving around the world. CCUS offers a route for carbon-intensive businesses to decarbonize and supply low-carbon products, such as low-carbon or green cement, protect and support jobs, and boost economic growth. CCUS is ready now, with many projects already up and running and many others in development across the world. To further unlock a cross-border global CCUS market and ensure we meet our net zero targets, we need to continue to develop CCUS projects across the world and secure billions of private sector investment into industrial regions. The development of carbon capture, utilization, and storage will be essential for tackling climate change, growing our economy, and creating a cleaner, greener future for all. CCUS, enabling a net zero future.
In a world where change is constant and the demand for sustainable energy solutions is growing, the legacy of the oil industry and the pursuit of a green future merge in a powerful, transformative synergy. Introducing Hub2 Energy, the Kuwait-based frontrunner dedicated to reshaping the global energy landscape through innovative solutions and resolute collaboration. Our mission is to design the energy of tomorrow. We combine investments in groundbreaking green infrastructure with a commitment to decarbonizing existing systems, creating a stepping stone toward a sustainable energy leading a net zero emissions future. Our strategy is fueled by 3 core propositions: investment, technology, and policy. We are committed to investing in the next generation of talent, leveraging digitalization in the future of energy. We have to unleash collaboration and build the energy infrastructure of tomorrow, propelling Kuwait and beyond.